Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you all how to share location on WhatsApp. So let's go straight to WhatsApp, and if you want to do this, you are going to do this with only a particular contact on your WhatsApp. So we are going to pick one of our WhatsApp contacts here. You can see right now on the screen. We are going to click on this pin icon. Now let's click on the location icon. For some other phone that have viewed that have not yet allowed WhatsApp to use your location on your mobile phone, just quickly go straight to settings. You will see it on the screen when you try it with your own phone. Just quickly go to settings and allow WhatsApp to share your location. So now I'm going to click on share live location and press continue. And with the GPS settings, I'm going to click on use location and go back to WhatsApp. So automatically WhatsApp is going to share my live location with that particular user on WhatsApp. Now click on share live location and add whatever message you want to pass to that person, and just click on send. As you can see right now on the screen, I'm already sharing my live location with a particular contact on my WhatsApp. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified anytime I upload a video like this and other tutorials on my channel. Have a nice day.